Kasumi Ishikawa practices her pendulum serve. She has a very dangerous and deceptive serve. The pro players has a very good feeling they can change the type of serve at the last moment. Fast and no spin serve. This is the fast serve and no spin serve to the right angle. Long serve. This is the long and classic pendulum serve. The bounce is stopped at the second bounce, so it is not easy to flick her serve. The ball jumps near the center of the table. Short pendulum serve. This is the short pendulum serve to the forehand side of the opponent. This serve is very tricky because it has a lot of side spin. This is the semi-long serve. The ball is bounced near the end line of the table.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.